All right, guys. Let's take a little tour. This is the new shop. Got the old baby girl over there. Rob's got a sweet little forklift. He's doing some hillbilly work, but hey, it ain't dumb if it works. Coming into the building. Bam, you guys. Here is the new shop. Start off with the royal throne there. This place has got a shower in it as well. Super dope. So we need to get some lights replaced, but that's all good. One of the pups. We got two ginormous roll-up doors, and then some shelving up here. I'm gonna do a little custom touch. Obviously, I got a couple of the clients' trucks over here. This is Dan's. We're finishing up. I did started up on the Venata Fab front kit. Gonna do the fenders as well, all that. Look at this ginormous gantry crane. This thing's gonna be super helpful since we're leaving the shop that had the forklift. We got Martin's truck over here. We've got a rotary 10K lift. We got a whole overhead lighting area back here. We're gonna go ahead and switch a lot of these lights to LED ballasts now that some of them are already out. We got another lift here, rotary 10K. We got this whole workshop area. I may end up walling off from here to this load bearing pole. Just kind of make it a little more metal shaping area, keep the dust contained so I can vacuum it up and whatnot. And then back behind this door is the other 800 square foot extension. It's a double-sided door. I'll give you a peek in there. It's dark and it's got some mess, but here's our compressor out here. You can see the double door on that side, door on that side. Rob's gonna go ahead and work on this as we start getting to a point where we need it. Rob's also got a couple of tools that he's gonna keep in here, which I'm cool with. Little mini shear. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my National pneumatic one right here as well. Or probably where the nearest airline allows. But you guys, I already got stuff started moving over here. We did lose air conditioning at the other shop. We're going full swamp here, but with that cooler, this other little cooler, and then the two swamps, one up there and one right there, we're gonna be able to keep this place really cool. We're gonna go ahead and repair some of this stuff as well. Get this all looking nice in here. I'm gonna give it a good dusting and then get a lot of this dirt out of here. Unfortunately, it's dirt out in the front, but I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, I didn't show you guys. Let me take you on a little upstairs tour. So we got some good area up here to use too, guys. All this stuff over here, he's eventually gonna move out to. Rob is a really good person, so I'm not too concerned with this stuff being pulled out immediately, you know. But I can start using this area for storage long term. And yeah, guys, maybe turn this into a little bar area so I can host some events here. But it's where we're at, guys. I'm super excited. Let me flip around real quick. I've been in here all day, back and forth. Basically, a little tiff went down with the landlord at the old shop. Pretty much told me I have until Thursday to get out of the building. Otherwise, I have to pay full rent for the month, and I'm gone like half of June, so I'm not gonna do that. So we're on a time crunch now, guys. We gotta be out of there by Thursday night because I leave for Pittsburgh on Friday. So, oh, that's feeling good. The swamp is blowing right here. Whew, feels amazing. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I've been moving all day. I got to work for a part of the day, but tomorrow and Wednesday are full moving days, and hopefully by Thursday I'm just cleaning up the last little bit. So we'll see where we end up, guys. That's a little shop update, new shop update. So hope you guys enjoy. See you later.